I'm videoing you building right now.
Okay.
Any announcements you want to make?
So, this is my domino thing I made. Jeff!
What?
Willie, come on!
I'm right here.
He can see.
I don't believe it's going
And
on.
it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3,
Oh, does everybody see on? There's a top part. It falls off the top.
obstacles.
I was
And
kidding.
so what's supposed to happen is I knock down this one. There are 2 up here. It falls, it hits this one. I tested it before. So, and then it knocks down this one, even though the baseball's in the way. And then it knocks down these. And then this one falls on that one, which rolls, or on this car, which rolls and hits that one, which goes down, and then it splits into 2 lanes. Around the bat, the baseball bat, and then this falls down, and then it hits those 2 towers, which are in the domino thing.
What do you think?
Right,
Wait, I need to fill in one more
And you
thing.
said that you pre-tested the beginning part?
Yeah.
That's very scientific
Yes,
of you.
this is a science.
It'll work with the car?
Exactly, this is a
Jack?
scientific
Uh-huh.
experiment here.
Alright, here it
You
goes.
tested the
I
car?
hope it works. Done it?
That was good.
Bravo!
That beginning was a very difficult beginning.
That was a very impressive explanation, by the way.